All right, folks, we have here a regular electric wheelchair. This is a Merits P182. Merits P182. This is a power chair with a large capacity weight. So some people like these types of power chairs. So this one here has a 600-pound weight capability. It's a reinforced frame, 600-pound capability. It comes with 12.5-inch solid tires in the back, 9-inch solid tires in the front, so it has decent sized tires. It also comes with heavy-duty 4-pole motors. These are huge motors. There's a motor for each wheel, so you have 2 motors here. Your brain box is over here. Your controller is here with all the plugs for the motor and the joystick and everything is here. This chair comes with an extra large seat, so let me go over that right now. It only comes with the adjustable foot. These are regular foot plates. Now these foot plates can be dropped down some more. There's a screw under here, so whatever height you need them, they can go from here down, you know, a few more inches. You have a guard for the back of your heels. If you need to remove these foot plates, you can remove this strap here, and you can just fold them out of the way like this. You can get in the chair that way, lock them back in place. Have to go on the other side, bring the leg back, shut it, put the strap back. I forgot where it was at, right here. Okay, now the seat on this chair is 24 inches by 20 deep. Now you got a little bit more depth. If you push on here, you're getting about 21 and a half, but technically it's 24 between the arms and about 20 to 21 deep from here to here. You have a safety belt. The arms do flip up, so if you want to flip the arms up, there's a little lever here. You pull the lever, the arms can flip up, and then you can put it down so both sides, the arms can flip up. This comes with a swing away joystick so you can get closer to a dining table. If you're left-handed, I'm assuming we would be able to put it on the left side and they would swing to the left side. So you do have a swing away joystick. You also have push bars back here. And behind the chair, you will see how you can see the battery box. Now, as you already probably know, this chair can be transported. You can take these 2 batteries out. There's little pins right here. There's one here, there's one on the other side. You can take the batteries right out of here. You can see they come right out. And when those batteries come out, you just disconnect them, and then the whole chair will fold this way. From the bottom of the seat will fold. It's still going to be very heavy because it's got heavy motors, so probably, I don't have a weight what it would be when it's folded, but if you needed to, you could take the batteries out and it will fold like a regular wheelchair. And 15 inches is what it's going to be folded. 15 inches, but when it's folded, it's 15 inches. Right now, with this chair like this on the ground, it's 29.5 inches. From here to here is 29.5. And the reason you have such width is because it's such a big seat and you want to have stability if you're going to have a 600-pound person in here, okay? So it is a foldable chair. If you take the batteries out, they disconnect, they pull out real easily. You can see the disconnection real easy. I'm going to turn the power back on, 2 batteries. If you need to put this chair in neutral, you see how it doesn't move when it's in gear? You would put the power off, and these are really easy. You see the little lever here? If I push it inward, the same thing here, inward, now I'm in neutral. So you could make this a pushable wheelchair if you had to. So if you have someone in here, you don't want to use the power for the chair, or if you had an issue, just turn the power in neutral. Look at this. It rolls just like a regular wheelchair, okay? You could almost take the batteries out and make it a push chair if you wanted to for a while. Put the batteries back in, and then you have power again, okay? So to put it back in gear, put the lever there. You can see it's in gear. Turn the lever back here, and now we're back in gear. You can see it has tip wheels in the back. So this chair here, as I said, it has a 600-pound weight capability. It has a total distance on a battery charge. Now the factory says up to 25 miles, but I definitely would not go 25 miles. But it has a long range. It says in the manual up to 25 miles. Top speed is 4 miles an hour. So when you charge this chair, it's just like all power chairs. I'm going to use this charger here right now. This is not the charger, but they all work the same. You plug it here, and as soon as the light turns green, the charger will stop charging. These chargers are smart chargers these days. They know when to stop charging. So let me show you the turning radius on this chair. So the turning radius is going to be longer because it's a rear wheel drive chair and you have the legs in front. So you can see how it takes quite a bit. So you have to have quite a bit of room to turn this chair. Okay? So this is a special chair. So remember also, from outside of arm to outside of the joystick is 30 inches. Okay, so from outside of arm to outside of joystick is 30 inches. Even though the chair is 29 and a half, you're going to have another ½ inch because the joystick sticks out a little bit. So you're going to need 30 inches to get through a door. Okay, or 29 3/4. So let's recap. We have here a Merits P182 600-pound capability on this chair. It has the 4-pole motors, heavy-duty motors. It has solid 12.5-inch tires in the back, solid 9-inch tires in the front with solid casters around the tires. Your brain box is here. You can make this chair a manual chair if you take the batteries out, or you can leave the batteries in. It'd be a little bit harder. You also have a manual brake right here like you would have an all-electric, all-manual chairs have a brake like this. This is a manual brake if you're using it as a manual chair. If you use it as an electric chair, there's already a built-in brake in the motor. So when you let go, the motor will brake, stop, and lock. Okay? 2 batteries in here. These are 55 amp batteries. There's 2 55 amp batteries. These are group 22 batteries. You have push arms, flip up arm, swing away joystick. The seat is 24 by 20, 21 deep. You have an extra large safety belt. You have the ALRs, they're removable leg rests, and they're adjustable up and down depending how tall you are. So if you're looking for the an electric wheelchair, a regular electric wheelchair that has a 600-pound capability, and you want that type of seating system, that's the way it would be. This would be the P182 by Merits. So this is the Merits P182 power chair. Top speed is 4 miles an hour. As soon as you stop, it comes to a halt within a few feet because it has electric brakes in the motor itself. I can tell these motors are powerful because whenever I ask for a little bit of speed, it takes off on me. These are really powerful 4-pole motors. You'll probably be able to tell in the grass. It doesn't lose any speed in the grass. I wouldn't call this grass right now because my grass is a little burned, but it's going to come back as soon as it starts raining. But this is the P182 power chair with a 24 by 21 20-inch seat. Total width is about 30 inches wide, and the length is about 45 inches, 600-pound weight capability, 12.5-inch solid, 9-inch solid here, flip up arms, just a nice power chair. And you can also make this a manual chair by taking the batteries out or leaving the batteries. It'll be a little bit harder to push because you have the 2 battery weight. So this is the P182 by Merits. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.